This is a custom nightlight lithophane of Link from Zelda that I made my son for Christmas. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you the settings I use to create my lithophane for this nightlight so that you can make your own as well. It uses a $2 nightlight which I have linked in the description, and the frame is designed to align with the origins of the lithophane. This way you can print them both at the same time so that they're one piece and not printed separately and glued together later. The frame in lithophane also encapsulates the light, giving you much better results. I will also show you how to align the origins of your STLs in both Simply 3D and Slicer 3R if you're not familiar. But first I'm going to show you the lithophane settings first. To turn your photo into an STL so that you can make a lithophane, you're going to need to go to 3dp.rocks/lithophane. I'm not going to go into details on how to best prepare your photo to be made into a lithophane, because I've already done that in a previous video of my Gothic lithophane light. If you want more information on that, I suggest you go check it out. But just know that you'll need a photo that has been cropped square, and for best results you're going to want to turn it black and white before you bring it into the software. So the first thing I'm going to do is to bring in my image, which is already black and white and cropped square. And then I'm going to change some of the model settings here. We want the maximum size to be 80, the thickness to be 3, the border to be 3, the thinnest layer to be 0.5, vectors per pixel I've always left at 4, base stand depth 0, and curve 80. Just make sure that you use these settings exactly. Otherwise your lithophane might not match up properly with the frame. And then under image settings here, we just want to make sure we have a positive image. Then we'll go back to our model and choose outer curve and refresh, and it'll build our model for us. So now the model's all ready to go, so I'm going to hit the download button and it'll be ready to put into our slicer. I'm not going to show you any lithophane slicer settings because I've done that in a previous video of my Gothic lithophane light, but I am going to show you how to align the origins of your STL so that you can print your nightlight as one body. So first thing you're going to want to do is import both your frame and your nightlight STL, and you'll notice when they come in they'll be in the correct orientation, but the centers are not aligned. So what I'm going to do is hit the shift key to select both STLs, go to edit and align selected models origins, and you'll see if you use the proper settings when creating your lithophane that everything will line up. And in fact they actually overlap, and this is so that when you slice it, it'll be treated as one model. So this is how you do it in Simply 3D. I know a lot of people like Slick 3R, and it's done a little differently in there. I've been asked this question before, so I thought I would just show you guys how to do it in Slick 3R. With Slick 3R, you're just going to add one of your STLs. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to choose the frame, and then once that has been imported, then in the browser over here you're just going to double click on it and then hit load part and then select your lithophane, and you'll see that it lines them up the same way as Simply 3D did. So now your lithophane is all ready to print. These make a really good personalized gift that you can give away to your friends and family, so I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below or on the Thingiverse page, where you can find the STLs for the frame are available for free.